So today we'll discuss about matrix chain multiplication by using dynamic programming. In this part we'll discuss about some topics. This is what is matrix multiplication, what is the meaning of chain matrix multiplication, how it will be solved by applying dynamic programming, and what is the formula that is used to solving the problem. So what is the time complexity of this type of problem. So matrix multiplication we already know. So here two matrix will be taken, 5 into 4 and 4 into 3. So here matrix multiplication can possible if the number of column of the first matrix is equal to the number of row of second matrix. So if we multiply the two matrix A and B, the result save in new matrix C. So here, so it means 5 into 3. So in C matrix 15 element is there. So getting each element we have to multiply first row of A matrix with first column of B matrix. So A matrix 4 element with there, and B matrix also 4 element is there. So total 4 multiplication we have to do to getting the first matrix, first element of C matrix. So like that other part also happened in this way. So in C matrix total 15 element is there. So for getting each element we have to multiply for 4 times. So it is 15 into 4 is equal to 60. So total generating the C matrix we have to do 60 multiplication. So 60 is the cost of multiplication for this particular example. So now next part is matrix chain multiplication. So here 4 matrix will be taken, A1, A2, A3, A4, and each have dimension will be given, or row into column will be given, 5 into 4, 4 into 6, 6 into 2, and 2 into 7. Our aim is total matrix is solve or select such that way the cost come in minimum form. So to get the result for this type of problem, having many way, that is A1 into A3 you can multiply, then the result is multiplied with A3, and the result will be multiplied with A4. Then second way is A1 matrix multiplied with A2 matrix, and separately A3 matrix multiplied with A4 matrix, and this result is multiplied together. So like this way many possibilities coming. So solve the problem. For the second part, if we draw the tree, it will look like at that, and for first way part, if we draw the tree, then it's also look like that. So here total we can see that here in two ways same thing is there, have 3 nodes will be generated. So in this two way we get 3 nodes. So for 3 nodes, how many tree is possible? That is for n nodes. If we consider, then it shows that Tn is equal to 2n Cn by n plus 1. So for 3 nodes it will be T3 is equal to 5. So here there are 4 matrices can be solved by 5 different way, or 5 different way we can parenthesize. So that means I will try all possible 5, but I will follow easy method that is given by dynamic programming. So we know that dynamic programming says that we will try our all possibilities and picking up the best one. So we can applying the next part, we will be applying the dynamic programming for this particular problem. So here we can see that 4 matrix will be taken and 2 table or matrix will be drawn. One is M and another is S. So M is for showing the result, and S is for the minimum value also. So here we can see the minimum value only. So every part when we solve, then which one is given the minimum, here we can see there. So at first we can check, that is A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here all are if we check 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3 and 3 4, 4 4, all are 0 because they are in same path. So here dimension will be 0. Next will be we can calculate mainly diagonally for part for right side. So we can next calculation part will be 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So we can calculate by the multiplication problem. So that I can say only one, this part the calculation can be done for 1 to 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So if I choose 1 to 2, then it's multiply A1 into A2. So A1 dimension is 5 into 4, A2 dimension is 4 into 6. So total cost of the multiplication is 5 into 4 into 6. So total is 120. So we can put 120 also. So this way we can calculate the dimensional part of right side. So next we can see the next also we can next part of right side of the dimension we also solve by this way. So you can see that the calculation for here also calculation done for 1 to 3 and 2 to 4. Here calculation will be next will be calculation done for 1 to 3 and 2 to 4. So 1 to 3 and 2 to 4, 1 to 3 and 2 to 4. So the calculation can be done. So here we can see that here the multiplication will be a1 into a2 into a3. So here come two possibility, that is a1 into a2 into a3 and a1 into a2 into a3. So first possibility dimension is like that. So here result will become 40, and the next possibility we can see that, and here result will become 60. So we can for m13 we can check both the result and which is one is less than, which one is less or minimum, then it is put in the table. So here we can see that 88 is put in the table. So now like that we can select the 2 4 also, where we can get 104 the result, that is shown in figure. So that is also shown in figure. So now we can solve the last part of, that is 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, for solving 1 to 4, m1 to 4, we can using the formula, that is mean of m11 plus m24 plus the dimension, total dimension 5 into 4 into 7, or we can check m12 m34 plus 5 into 6 into 7, or we can check m13 plus m44 plus 5 into 2 into 7. So if I shown in figure freshly, we can see that. So here we can see this is the first possibility, m11 plus m24 plus 5 into 4 into 7. The next one is second possibility, that is m12 m34 plus 5 into 6 into 7, and third possibility is m13 plus m44 into plus 5 into 2 into 7. So or we can say that way also. So calculation of m14 according to the possibility that is shown in formula, that is this type of result will come 244. First possibility result is 244, second part result will be 14, and last one is 158. So here 158 minimum, so for m14 we can put 158. So this is already shown in figure, that is shown in figure. So next is the for formula to solve the problem. So the formula is mij is equal to mean ik plus m of k plus 1 comma j plus di minus 1 into dk into dj. So total 5 dimension is there to solve the 4 matrix. So if e1 as I, then or I as a matrix, then di minus 1 is come out. So that way this formula is come out. So the time complexity of this type of problem is so now from the figure we have to follow the S matrix or table, that is shown minimum result, that is shown the minimum result total. So which is showing the minimum, if I written here. So first topmost one is, if I select as 3, topmost one is 3, so it means a1 into a2 into a3 this side, and a4 is differ from that side, so it's look like as a1 into a2 into a3 into a4. So now about 1 comma 3, 1 to 3 is S matrix or table. So 1 comma 3 is 1, so it's look like as a1 differ from a2 into a3, and a4 also differ from a1 into a2 into a3. So the tree come from this part is like that. a1 A2 and A3 at first we can merge, then the resultant will be add with A1, then the A1 result will be added with A4. So this time complexity is here, we can see we can prepare a table but only half of the table, so that is means we can prepare only half of the table. So n into n minus 1 by 2 n, or we can say n into n plus 1 by 2 element we can gather in. So the result will be n square. So and the time complexity of matrix chain multiplication is n cube, because but each element we can we are getting by calculating all the finding the minimum value by taking at most n times. So n square into n is equal to n cube, so it is order of n cube. So note that the table of or M matrix can be drawn like this way also. Thank you very much.